challenge with reading glasses is when you are not reading, they end up in being on your head or around neck with the string. In this video tutorial, I am going to tell you a smarter way to put your spectacles. Welcome to Hook to Knot. I am back with another scrap yarn project, and this time you will spend less than 30 minutes to do it. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how I make these spectacle holding brooches. For making these brooches, you need these brooch clips, scrap yarn. I am going to use 3 mm crochet hook because my yarns are 4-ply cotton, some fabric glue and darning needle. If you are not comfortable sticking the brooch clip, you may add a few stitches around it so that it stays firm. I am going to wrap thread around 8 to 10 times around my thumb. Once I am done enough wraps, I am just going to take it out and start making line of single crochet around it, holding all the strands together. After this, I have slip stitch into very first single crochet, but I am not cutting the yarn. I will make the leaf from this yarn only. If you see construct of my spectacle brooches, I prefer to have 2 leaves, 1 or 2 flowers. Sometimes I have kept leaves more. It's completely as per your choice. How big or small leaf and flower you want and what type of flower you want, it depends on your choice. After I'm done with ring, I'm going to chain 9. As my flowers are a little bigger in size, I am going to make leaf also in bigger size. So after chain 9, in the second chain from the hook, I will make slip stitch, then single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet. This is how I have increased the height. Now I will start decreasing it. So again, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet and slip stitch. Chain 1, return pass, pull up a loop and cut the yarn. Just see the placement of flower and then decide where you want another leaf. This being a bigger flower, you can have 2 more leaves. Whatever number of leaves you want, it's completely up to you. So my first leaf is going to be here. I will create one more leaf here, maybe third one here. Now independently I will create leaves and attach to the ring. I have stitched 2 leaves to the ring. Now I will first stitch the flower onto the leaves and then we'll make third leaf and place here. The weight of the pin is going to be on the ring and these 2 leaves, so this you can stick, no need to stitch. These days you get good adhesives, so no need to worry about brooch holding spectacle. Putting few stitches is very important, then the flower will stay firm on the pin. Make few knots and cut the thread. On this the pin is going to come, so no need to worry about loose ends. After stitching is done, you can be doubly sure about the strength of this stitching by adding glue to it. And then I will take a brooch clip, add some adhesive to it, put some adhesive on the ring or the place where our brooch clip will go. Stick the brooch clip to the brooch and leave it open for naturally drying. And my spectacle brooch is ready. You can have 1 flower, 2 flowers, sunflower, daisy flower, whatnot. The choice is completely yours. You can add beads, pearls. Use all yarns that you have till the last inch.